Success Ingredients channel is a kind of a channel that sharpens your mind. It changes the thyself in you. You'll act like a machine, a magnet that attracts success of whichever kind from all over. Subscribe to this channel and listen to these critical ingredients, these successful becoming principles. They will really remake you and you'll become a winner. Yes. How do I develop a strong presence and personality? Today is the question, and I'm here to share with you about the ideas you should have in mind to develop a strong presence and personality in your life. Yes, and the first one is, do not be a cocky person. Yes, I mean, be calm, be humble. Don't raise your voice above the crowd. Yes, always take your time to move at a slow pace. And you know, people are going to really, yes, find something interesting in you, and they will, yes, start to admire. The second point, be stylish. Yes, be stylish, you know. Have that kind of a lifestyle that is quite admirable. Here, brush your teeth, trim your hair, put on cool clothes, and you know what? People are going to find you quite interesting, and they will really, yes, find you. The third one is have knowledge. Yes, knowledge is very, very important, and you know, you must have it because people will come to seek some advices from you, and if you don't have knowledge, what are you going to give out? So try to find a way and have knowledge. Then the fourth is have courage to share your point of views. Yes, you see, if you really you are that kind of a person who thinks about your opinions as candidates, please, and you don't share them out, even the young children are not going to like you. So it's advisable that you share out your point of views. The fifth is commit to your goals. Yes, it's awesome to have goals, and you know, it's very important to have commitment. And the sixth point is be a positive person. You know, negativity is almost everywhere in our family members, friends, co-workers, and you know, sometimes life is not good there. But if you are that kind of a person who moves on to take action on anything that is in front of you, you'll have more chances of being a positive person. Then the seventh point is, the less you talk, the better. And you know, always limit your words. Don't overload your mouth to overload your back. It's very important that you talk less and you will not regret. Then the eighth is stand out. Yes, stand up for others. When you see a colleague is in a problem, please come up and render whatever kind of assistance that you can. And these people will again come back to render assistance to you. And the ninth one is be you. Be you. Yes, why not? Yes, why do you choose to be a gazelle instead of being a lion? This is very critical. Yes, always have this in mind, that life is too short. Come out and do those things that you love most. The 10th is make research. Even the Bible recommends us to search, that when we search, we shall find. Yes, so you must be that kind of a person who makes some research, especially on issues that are positive to life, and this will help you in becoming, Yes, developing that strong presence and personality. So here, I wish you the best out there as you develop your strong presence and personality. Thank you for watching.